Hey guys, this is gonna be my bike check. This is my Eastern Dragon. I just got this frame a couple days ago and I painted it green. Turned out pretty good. So I'll start there again. Eastern Dragon frame. And we'll come up here. I got Sunday Tudor handlebars. They're cut down 1 inch each side, but I'm actually gonna go back to running wider bars. Kink Omega grip, kink bar ends. Got a Poverty brake lever and just this crappy brake cable I picked up until I get my Animal illegal linear cable. Stock fit stem and compression bolt fit. Stock fit again. Headset fit forks I just painted, and then we got a Salt wheel, Salt laced to Odyssey Hazard Light sealed hub. Me and my dad laced that. I forgot, this is, I think it's a Kenda tire. Yeah, it's a Kenda. I call it the penis tire because all the treads look like little penises. Shitty Welgo pedals that I wore down a lot from pedal grinds. Fit cranks. Eastern Medusa Light chain wheel. Lightest chain wheel. It's only like 2.1 ounces. Seat post I just got off this old bike and rawed it. We the People pivotal seat. And we got a Demolition Trail Slayer tire. An old KMC chain that I had laying around because my chain broke. Tektro brakes. And then the back wheel, it's just a plain back rim, white spokes, Eastern birectional hub that I like. It's not the loudest, but it gets the job done. Yeah, any questions, just send me a message or something. For Christmas, I think I'm getting new cranks, or I'm going to try and buy my friend's cranks off them. New brake cable and everything should be coming. So, yeah, that's my bike check.